Good enough about those. Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to adjust your throttle cable. There's a couple posts out there in the Facebook group where you guys are having difficult time adjusting this, figuring it out. Some of you guys have mentioned that you've installed your new grips and now it feels like that there's not enough horsepower or there's not enough throttle while you ride. So you're looking at, for some reason, a decreased amount of power, torque, responsiveness of the bike. That seems to be a common issue in the post. So what I'm guessing most of the time is it's just improper throttle adjustment. So anyways, I have this set up pretty much with zero free play in the throttle. As soon as I give it a little turn right here, it starts engaging on the throttle body. There's absolutely no free play. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I want it. I want instant responsive throttle response. As soon as I give it a little bit of a turn, you can feel it right there in the resistance. Not even that much free play. Like I said, there's almost none. Every time I bounce, every time I hit a imperfection in the road, and my hand moves just a little bit of a bump, I start feeling the bike going. All right, so that's the way I want it. That's the way I like it. So let's go ahead and let's undo this, turn this all the way back like if you had just installed it on both of them. All right, so I went ahead and I gave it all the slack that it's got. Now it's really loose, as you guys can see down right over here, completely loose. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust the one on the front or the one on the rear, depending on how you're looking at this. You always want to do the throttle side first. That way you don't get a miscalculation or a bad reading and you end up snapping your throttle cable. All right, so what we want to do, we want to start adjusting this, but let me show you guys what's going on when you're having that problem of getting on it and only having 50% power. So this is me turning the throttle all the way out. As you can see, this is the max. This is full throttle right here. I'm holding it right there with this hand, and then we're going to be looking down here at the throttle body, and you can see right there how much more throttle you have in there. So that's all loose, and this is what I mean. You need to adjust your throttle body or your throttle cable. Right now we're looking at what, maybe 60% right there, and you can hear it too. You hear that little clicking? I'm hitting the back of the throttle body. So that's what's going on. You're only about maybe 60% at full throttle right here, and that's where we have to start adjusting. We start pulling this down, and if you want to take it easy, take it easy. Take it one step at a time. Hold that throttle way open like that. As you guys can see, hold it way open, then come back down here and then see where you're at. There's still a lot. Maybe we're at 70% now. We still need some more. So let's go ahead, keep on bringing this down a little bit. Like I said, take a little bit at a time. We're almost there. As you can see, you could hear it too. Let me get the camera in there. There's still a little bit of adjustment, still a little bit of adjustment still there. Let's fine tune it. Still a little bit more. We're getting there. You hear that? As you can see it too as well. All right, that's wide open right there. You see, we're really close. We're almost fully engaged in the throttle body. And I would probably say that's probably it. I mean, we're talking about, that's really tight right there. We could bring it back a little bit. The main reason what you want to do is you don't want it too tight. You don't want to snap this thing, of course. So it's up to you guys. This is a preference thing. If you want to have it 95%, you could do that. As you can see right here, we are really close. I think that's where I'm going to keep it at. So we're just going to bring this key down right here. Let's grab our 2 wrenches here and then just lock that in, because I don't want this thing too tight. Yes, I'm looking at maybe what, 2% that I'm giving up. It's really close, guys. it doesn't move a lot, so I'm keeping it there. All right, I don't want it too tight. Like I said, I don't want to snap the throttle cable. It's possible, it could happen. If you have it way too tight, you will snap that throttle cable. So let's lock that in there. That's done. All right, so now let's start adjusting the one in the front or the one on the rear, depending on how you're looking at it. And as you can see, you hear that, you see that, I'm turning all that, I'm turning this, and then you look down here, nothing's happening. So what is going on? That is all that free play right in there. There's a lot of free play in this thing. Now, like I said, this is a preference thing. If you want to keep it there, so when you're, you know, jumping up and down, and like I said, this is a Sportster, the suspension's not that great, so whenever I hit a little bump, my hand, it just gives it gas, and then the bike wants to go every time it hits a little imperfection. So let's go ahead. Now this is a preference thing, of course. A lot of free play right there, man. We're talking about maybe 20%. That's a lot of free play. That's way too much. Let's go ahead and bring that down. Still a lot. Bring it down some more. So like I said, this is a preference thing. This is going to depend on you guys. That's way too much for my taste. Let's bring it down. Still too much, because look it, I'm turning it up here, nothing's happening down here. So I mean, this is, like I said, it's a preference thing. I hate to repeat myself, but this is just, it's a preference thing. I want this thing to be instant power, instant responsiveness. I want it to get up and go as soon as I give it a little bit of gas, or who knows, maybe I'll draw it back a little bit, because it was really touchy. It was really touchy before. Still too much for my taste. Let's keep on. I'd say it right there, maybe. We're getting close. I say right there. You can see there's a little bit of free play. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna try this out, because like I said, it was really touchy. Just by me hitting a little bump, I was giving it gas. So you know what, I'm gonna leave it there just to give me a little bit of free play, just so my body and my hand can soak up those imperfections of the road. Like I said, it was really twitchy before, so maybe I'll just leave it there. Maybe about what is that, maybe a 1/4 inch or 1/8 of free play. Of course, you could do the tape thing, you could tape it. And sorry to repeat myself a lot, but this just comes down to preference. So I'm gonna leave that in there. I'm gonna lock that in. Grab my 2 wrenches real quick. All right, that's locked in there. You don't have to crank down on it, guys. All right, don't crank down on it. Just lock it in. Put the sleeve over it, and you're pretty much, that's done. You see how it snaps back into place? That's the way you want it. If you were to do it backwards, you would get a different result. So let's go ahead and show you full throttle right there. You see that? Not much. I think I'm on it. I'm pretty sure I might be maybe 98% or 100% full throttle right there. And of course, that's full throttle. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's easy. That's the adjustment of the throttle body. If you guys are having issues, if you guys feel it kind of donkey-ish after doing grips on it, that's most likely 90% of the time that's a problem. You got to fix your throttle body or your throttle cables. So I'm gonna take her out for a spin. I'm gonna try out this new free play that I gave it, and if I don't like it, I'll go back to maybe having 0 free play. And it's just something that you have to get used to, and just give it a spin and see how you like it. I'm pretty sure, like I said, you're gonna resolve those issues. All right, so that's pretty much it. You guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's risk, get out there and ride. Later.